or welcome back to 24 Carat Life, and this is Khyati, and I hope that you guys are in pink of your health. So आप लोग ने टाइटल ऑलरेडी पढ़ लिया है and you guys know it that my today's video is all about a throwback trip to Manali. But before starting this video, I would like to quote this thing that the biggest adventures you ever take is to live the life of your dreams. And yes, Manali trek was one of my biggest dreams. I am not kidding. Like, literally, it was one of my dreams, and I really cannot believe that I have overcome this dream and I have got so many memories from that particular dream. So, yes, I'm going to share you guys my throwback trip to Manali. So, 5th of May 2019, yes, that was the day when me and my friends started our trip to Manali. Like, we were traveling from a group and we were accompanied by other 40 to 50 people whom we barely knew. But हम लोग काफ़ी sure थे that once we return, we are definitely going to have a bunch of new friends. So we hopped into a train to reach Delhi, and on 6th May, we reached Delhi. So we were almost done with the Delhi sightseeing and we decided to travel the same afternoon to Manali, and we were traveling by a bus, and I still remember that 7th May 7 a.m. early in the morning we reached Manali, and I was so taken aback by the scenic beauty I was surrounded by. And that was so mesmerizing that I really couldn't take my eyes off. And so we finally reached our campsite, and once I got down from the bus, I was feeling so cold. I mean, I don't remember what the temperature was, but it was so thrilling and vibrant at the same time. And we guys were so excited to get into the campus and see all the arrangements, and obviously super excited for the first day trek. So these were the arrangements where the tents were set up, and I was simply so excited because we were going to spend our night in the tent. So once we were allotted with our tents, we all got ready for the day, and we got down and we just started our trek, which was actually intimidating at the earlier stage, but we were so excited and thrilled to see where we are going to reach. The amazing beauty and the mountains that we were surrounded by was so beautiful and spellbound. And I so fell in love with the mountains and the view that I was surrounded, and the snow on the mountains was literally giving me a feel of cherry on a cake. And yes, the first day was pretty simple and light, but we were supposed to tighten our socks for the next day, which is 8th May 2019, because we were traveling to Dhundi, which is a place, and it is around 10 to 12 kilometers from our campsite. And early in the morning, once we started our trek, we were said that we are traveling from a dense jungle location. We were initially scared, but it was so challenging and exciting for us to do the trek, and we finally reached Dhundi, which is such an amazing and beautiful place where the mountains are covered with snow, and we all friends felt that we were literally dreaming, but the truth was that we were living our dreams. The snowy mountains and the alpine trees, the beautiful and clear sky with the clouds, and here comes our campsite, which made me feel that I was on the ninth cloud. And so, as I said, that we reached Dhundi, it was mid afternoon, and we were so tired and wanted to rest badly. But remember that resting is literally not an option when you are trekking. So we just had our lunch and rested for a while, and we again started with a small trek which was nearby. And once we were returning down, we were said that Dhundi is a place which has 0% network and no electricity. So yes, we were definitely away from our phones, but electricity was something which was like hitting me hard because I'm a person who is scared from darkness. But amazing campfires and being with friends and sharing different experiences was literally an amazing time.
जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा तुम लेना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा अंधेरी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा चांदनी जब तक रात देता है.
So the night eventually passed, but amongst my friends, I'm the person who is always feeling super cold because I guess it was around 4 degrees Celsius at that time. And I used to wake up at midnight and tell my friends that, guys, I'm feeling super cold, and I was literally shivering, but none of them used to wake up. Jokes apart, but it was an amazing night. And early in the morning we started our next amazing trek, and that was a snow trek. Like, it was super amazing because we were traveling to a place which is fully covered with snow just to enjoy the amazing beauty. When we hear or think about the word Manali, what actually comes to our mind, we picturize snow. And yes, this was the day when we went for a snow trek. I mean, guys, we aren't literally any experts who are so much into hiking, but this was our mere try to go for a snow trek. And yes, we are so happy that we completed this without giving up. I mean, it was so slippery to walk on snow, and it was such biting cold that we even were shivering. But this is one of the bestest memories that I have till date, and it is so amazing to live your own YJHD moment. After we were done with the snow trek, we came back to our basic campsite, which is Solang Valley, and just got ourselves freshened up. And we were there all set and ready for amazing adventure sports activities like river crossing and whatnot. And it was so amazing, and we were literally enjoying all of the activities that were carried out there. So yes, I have got some clips of me doing the adventure activities. So this is zip line, which is a big thumbs up. Next is rock climbing, which was really so hard. I even fell, but yeah. And the last one was river crossing, which was really so hard for me because I have a very bad arm strength. But I literally gave this try, and it was good. And so we relaxed after that, watching beautiful sunsets and enjoying the last day that we were in the campsite. And so we were close to coming back to our home, and we were leaving the campsite, and it was really so sad to leave the beautiful place that we were surrounded by, like waking up to the mountains and watching beautiful sunrises and going for different treks every day. But before we were leading back to home, we were supposed to carry different activities and go to this one amazing beautiful place near Parvati Valley, where the legend of Manikaran resides and is a spot for hot springs and pilgrimage centers. And yes, your Manali trip is definitely incomplete without river rafting. So this was the very last activity that we were supposed to carry out, and me and my friends were definitely going for this. And once I got to the raft, the water was so chilled, and I was literally going to give up at an initial point, but that was so amazing and thrilling. And that was one hell of a ride. The journey I still remember today so well. So yes, we are here at the end of the video, and I really hope that you loved watching all the amazing scenic beauty. And if you really love the video, please hit the like button, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to comment down below your experience to any beautiful place that you have traveled, and see you soon.